Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 9. This is Section 1.9, Problem 9. It says, write the following using exponential notation. We have 3 times 3 times 8 times 12 times 12 times 12. So, in exponential notation, I'll start with the 3's. We have 2 3's being multiplied together, so that would be 3 to the second power. Then for the 8th, there's only one of those, so I'll just put times 8. And I'm not going to write an exponent. Technically, it's times 8 to the first power, but if there's only a first power, you generally don't have to write that. And then times the 12's. There are 3 of those, so that would be 12 to the third. So the answer is 3 to the second power times 8 times 12 to the third power.